Hi and welcome to MRTV. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to live stream directly to YouTube or Twitch with your Quest 2 or your Quest 1. And not only the game sound, also your voiceover. And therefore, I'm also showing you this here, the Antlion Modmic. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang and this channel here is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you independent XR reviews, you're getting the latest news and you're getting cool tutorials just like this one here. So if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely do so now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. The Quest 2 is an amazing headset, but unfortunately, you can only live stream to Facebook and not to YouTube or to Twitch. Now, in my opinion, this is a big chance missed because so many people would share their gameplay on YouTube and more people would get exposure to the Quest. Anyways, with this method, you can do so, and the only thing you need is a computer and a wireless microphone, just like this here, the Modmic from Antlion, and this is the wireless one. Now, why did I choose this one? This one is really perfect because it comes with little magnets that I, for example, have here, and then you can simply attach it magnetically, just like this. And then if you don't want to stream anymore, then you can get it off and you can put it to your other VR headset. So this is great, and also the audio quality is amazing. So this is going to set you back around $130. So not cheap, but it's absolutely worth it. And the link is down in the description of this video. If you can find any other wireless microphone that you can attach to your Quest and that can connect to your computer, that would also work for sure. But the Antlion Modmic is my recommendation. And now let's get into the tutorial. First, you open a browser and you go to oculus.com/casting. Then you will see this website, probably in your language, and probably you have to log in with your Facebook account, the same that you're using on your Quest. Now go into your Quest and do the following. You have to cast now, and you do so by clicking this button here, and now click on Cast, and now choose Computer. Now click on Next, and this should happen in your browser. You should be able to see your picture, your virtual reality picture. And on the bottom right, click on the loudspeaker symbol in order to have sound as well. That is really important so that you can stream the sound as well. So now we need the OBS Studio software. Look for OBS Studio on Google and click on the first link. And now please download your version, either for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So for me, it's the Windows version. Download it and please install it. Now start it, and it's going to look something like this. Now for me, I already have some scenes here because I'm using it on a daily basis, but you won't. For you, click on plus, and now start a new scene and call it, for example, Oculus Quest Streaming. All right, once you have done this, we need to add something to the scene, and that you can do here. So now click on the plus and choose display here, this here. And now you can give it a name. You can simply choose the default one, and now you choose the display. For me, I have several displays, so I choose the display with the browser. And here it is, I click on OK. So now I could already stream my whole screen, but I don't want to, since I only want to have the picture, right? So right-click on this here, and now click on Filter. And here, we need a new filter, a plus. Click on plus, and go for Crop. Choose a name, but you don't have to. And now you simply choose the values here in order to crop the picture so that you only can see the Quest streaming picture. So here, for example, first of all, the left side, then the right, then the top and the bottom. And because it takes a while, now you could probably subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, right? This is really an amazing channel if you love virtual reality. All right, so now that you're done, click on Close, and now that looks way better. So now please resize it, make it bigger, like this. And you could probably move it to the right so that there's some space on the left for your face cam, for example. I'm going to put my face cam there. So how to do this? Click on plus. Now click on the following button here, this here, yes. And I already have a camera here. So I'm using my Sony camera, but you could use any of your webcams. So here it is. This is my main camera. And now let me put it to the background by moving it here. And now I'm going to move it over so that you can see me. And that is pretty okay. This is what I could stream, absolutely. So now let's take care of the audio. So for the microphone, click this here. And now, because we want to use the Modmic, for example, you already have inserted the dongle that comes with the Modmic to your computer, and then you can find this here. Choose Antlion Modmic if you have this Antlion Modmic. And for being able to hear your audio, the Quest audio, click on this here and choose default or choose your loudspeaker that you're using right now. And that's it. Now go to the settings because you have to set up the stream. And here in the settings, please click on Stream. And here you can choose where you want to stream to. Like, for example, you want to stream to YouTube or to Twitch. Choose your service. And now you need the key, the stream key. That is really important. So let me show you where you can find it on YouTube. Here, click on Stream. And here, first of all, you can change the title of your stream here. And if you want to get your stream key and you want to, here it is. So simply click on copy and then you got your stream key. And this stream key, you please add it here into this field. I have it here already and click on apply or OK. And that's it. Now click on start streaming and your stream is going to start. All right, and that's it. Now you can live stream to YouTube or Twitch or to any other service. And you even have a face cam. You can do voiceover. It's pretty amazing. I really hope that this was very useful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up and make some noise for the algorithm. Do leave a comment and let me know what you think of this. And in your first live stream, using this method, absolutely tell people that you used this tutorial. That would be so amazing. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, then absolutely do so now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And if you want more content from me, if you want behind the scenes videos, if you want to get my first impressions of headsets first, then become a member of the MRTV Elite at mrtvelite.com. It's only going to set you back $1 and you're supporting this channel. And yeah, I believe it's pretty good. It's a pretty great channel. And if you don't want to go to Patreon, you can also simply click the join button down below. Then you can become a member of the MRTV Elite too. Now, that's everything that I got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.